Hi guys and welcome back to Ask Angelo, where we answer all of your construction needs. It's a part 2 of bulb basics, and today we'll be talking about how to select the best lighting solutions to light up your home. Let's go!
Last week, we defined the terms found on a box of a light bulb: voltage, watts, lumens, and color temperature. This week, we will focus mainly on lumens and color temperature as we tackle how to properly light up a room. Voltage, watts, lumens, and color temperature are important when considering cost efficiency of lighting. But strictly speaking, lumens and color temperature are all you need to consider when lighting a space. Once again, lumens refers to the intensity of the light generated by the watts that enters a light bulb, while color temperature refers to the assigned colors of a light bulb. Lighting a room. The general rule for lighting a room is that a certain amount of lumens is needed for a certain amount of space. The next question is, what room are you lighting? In general, you will need 50 to 150 lumens per square meter for bedrooms. Bedrooms are not working areas. The lower lumens stimulate the need for sleep. (100 to 150 lumens per square meter for bathrooms, 400 lumens per square meter for mirrors. Bathrooms are places that have to be well lit because people need to feel energized in the morning. The extra light will help you wake up. The intense lighting for the mirror is a trick used by the makeup artist to see and balance makeup and cover hard to spot blemishes. 200 to 500 lumens per square meter for kitchens. Kitchens have to be well lit because this is where you prepare your food. There is a lot of slicing, cutting, burning, grinding that goes on in these rooms. Because of this, you will need more lighting, especially near or around preparation areas. 200 to 500 lumens per square meter for living rooms and dining rooms. Here, the taste of the homeowners comes into play, and this is why some of homes incorporate dimmers or multiple light sources. There will be times when all you will need for a living room is a lamp. Yet, you will need everything to be bright and clear when you have guests over. To calculate how many lumens you would need for a room, simply multiply the number of square meters in a room by the recommended amount of lumens, taking into account personal tastes and preferences. Looking at our example, this 43.5 square meter 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom condominium will need, for the living room and the dining room, 7.1 square meter each, 1,420 to 3,550 lumens of cool white or daylight. As mentioned, this would be nice to incorporate different color temperatures to help set the mood and match personal preferences. The kitchen. 7.1 square meters will also need between 1,420 to 3,550 lumens of light. But you can focus the majority of that on the counter and cooking areas. Each bedroom, 8.9 square meters each, will need between 445 to 1,335 lumens of warm light. The bathroom, 4.3 square meters, will need between 430 to 645 lumens of cool white or daylight. That's it!
That's all for today. Thank you very much MCO people, and thank you to you for giving me this opportunity to help you become a champion builder. But my journey ends here. But stay tuned next week for Ask Angeli. See ya!